Type of children's book. Board books. These books are suitable for toddlers between 1 to 3 years old. The reason for giving these kinds of books to toddlers is to start introducing them to surrounding things. The topics are usually about the alphabet, the name of animals, the name of vegetables, numbers, and other things that needed to be introduced to toddlers. Other than the topics of board books are made out of thick paperboard with a glossy finish on them. The purpose of using thick paperboard is so that toddlers easily flip it and hard to tear. The illustrations in board books should be revealing and engage children to read and continue to read until the end. Interactive books. The topic in interactive books could be the same as for board books, but they could also tell simple stories that are meant to entertain children. Could be about friendships, journeys, moral stories, or other things. Some interactive books use thick paperboards as well, but the difference between interactive books and board books is, interactive books engage children to active while reading the book. For instance, the books ask children to perform activities such as putting a thumb inside the book, touching some parts in the book as part of the story, and more interactive things you could think of. Picture books. Picture books are for children around 3 to 8 years old. The topic of picture books is varied, could be about fairy tales, folklore, fiction stories, and more. Same as others, illustrations still need to engage children's interest to read and continuity to make stories understandable. Other than the illustrations, authors should write in short sentences for picture books, using easy words, and perhaps adding some rhyme to them. The paper used for picture books is not as thick as board books. Slightly thicker than writing books, usually finished with a glossy effect. Size for picture books varies. It could be small, medium, big, portrait, or even landscape.